Hello friends, welcome back to CSR Tech Info YouTube channel. This is me Chandrasekhar Sage and I am the YouTube creator. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 3D effects to the text in Pixel app. So before going to start the video, I request you all to like and share my videos and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay friends, so let's begin the topic. So friends, so first of all you have to download and install Pixel Lab application from Google Play Store. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to install that. So you go to Play Store and you type here Pixel Lab and you search the first one and see it is opening. I already installed this application, so click on the button open. So if you didn't install that app, you click on the button install, right? And so after opening, this will be the home page. So this is the first background you can find. If you come down here, there are so many background colors, with the different colors and text and effects, right? And under these backgrounds we have some tools here like like these these four. These are all the tools where we can apply the effects to this text. Okay, so today's topic is adding 3D effects to the text. So first of all I'm going to add the text. Okay, you would double click on this new text and this will appear. You can erase this text and you type the text whatever you want. So I'm just typing my channel name CSR Tech Info and click on this OK button. Right, the text is copied onto the screen. Now you can drag to the right side to come this text straight, okay, like this. So now I want to add the effects to this text. Okay, now come down here, you can find one icon A. If you press on A, you'll find many options like this. Okay, you can check them one by one. So I will tell you what are these, okay, one by one. So first of all, edit A. If you want to edit the text, if you want to add, delete any part of the text, you have to click on this edit button. If you want to delete this text, you have to click on this delete. Okay, if you want to copy this text again, paste, instead of typing again and again, you can simply copy and paste. Just you change the name. Okay, that's it. If there are two objects, if you want to bring one object on the other object, you can bring it to front, to send it to back. Okay, like this. These two are important. Now, so this is the position. Okay, position in the text, left to right, okay, up or down in the center element. Click on OK button. Next, relate to position, to set the position of the text in the screen. Okay, centralizing the text like that, and increasing the text size or decreasing, you can do it here by dragging to the right and the left, right, depending on your requirement. You can change the text size. Next, click on OK button. And next, padding. Padding is nothing but the spacing, okay, spacing between the text, between the words, between the text, like that. I'm not changing here. You can apply the color to the text. You select any color. So for example, I am taking blue color, right, and click on OK. So for example, if you want to apply the color for only one word of the text, for example CSR, there I want to apply text to only CSR. Okay, now once again you select this and click on color. Here you need to select only CSR, okay, and click on OK. Now you change the color. Okay, only the selected part will get the change of color, right? Okay, now I am giving the color black to this text. Okay, right, I'm sorry, one second, I'll show you once again. So click on this color, you select the text, what text you want. Okay, already CSR is black only. Okay, now I'm changing Tech Info text color. Text color to what text, what color you want to change here? Blue. Okay, I am selecting blue color. like this. You can find there na, in the above screen, right? Okay, click on the button OK. Thus you can change the colors to the text. And now texture, I will tell you this one later. If you come to opacity, the percentage of visibility of the text on the screen, okay, you can decrease the opacity or maximize, okay, to see the text clearly, okay. And enable, there is one more sub option there. Is it enabled or disabled, okay? That's your wish only. Next, mask, I am not going to tell about this one. You should come to font. You apply any one fantastic font. These are all the default fonts, and most of the people use only Meme font. Meme font is a fantastic font. I am taking that and click on the button OK. Yes, this font is applied to the text, right? Even you can apply the bold text also, like a bold, italic, underline, okay, like that. That's your wish. I'm not changing anything here. Click on OK button. Yeah, if you want to change the text directions, okay, like up and down, like that. See here. Yeah, this is one style, okay. And if you move this side, this is another style. That's your wish, okay, friends. Okay, however you want, you can change. Click on OK. And background, so I want to apply the background to only the text, okay, not the entire screen, only text, okay. Now you enable this and select any one color, okay. Now I am taking yellow color, so I want to apply this color, okay. Now right click on OK button, right. And alignment, okay. Now I think this is very well, it comes in that EMS word, okay, alignment, text direction to the left or center or right, okay, like this. The text in the box, okay, which direction you want to change. And spacing, yeah, this enables you to increase or decrease the space between the characters or between the words, okay, like this. Okay, decreasing like this, okay. That's your wish. Here 0 means what? There is no space is applied on the text. Next, line spacing also, okay, now you can do the same thing. Strokes and shadow, for example, now I want to add shadow, okay, click on this button, you select enabled, okay, you take any one color. So maximum, most of the people prefer only black only for shades, okay. I took black, and you should click on this blur radius percentage, you keep on changing. You can find the change in the text, okay, like this. And again here also you just click on enabled, just you observe, okay, just moving to the left, the shadow of the text to the left, to the right, okay, you can change like this. And now let's go to directly only 3D text. This is what we want to know, why we came here. Now click on the button 3D text. You first of all you enable this. Now you can find the wonderful performance of this app. Okay, now I am going to show you here. So just you click on, you drag this to the right side, okay, and see the change. So shadow color went back, so okay, like that. Darkening text, you can do that, completely darkening the shadow, okay, like this. And rotation of the text, either to the upside, downside, or upside, okay, or next to the left or right, okay, this one, left side and right side, text direction in different 3D styles, okay. This is scrolling effect, okay, like this. So whatever the text effect you want to apply, you can go for that. Click on the button OK. Now if you want to apply the 3D text on 3D shadow to the text also, you can go to this option, you enable this, and you find which shadow color you want to show. So now I am selecting yellow, the yellow color came here, okay, like that. You can do, you can select any color for shadow. And 3D reflection also. So for example, see, if I enable this, the text is copied down like like a watermark, okay, its reflection is shown down here, okay. It's called what? It's called what here? Text reflection, okay. I am enabling this, right. So this is how to add 3D effects to your text, my dear friends. I hope you all understood how to make changes in this app, and I'm sure that this is the fantastic app that you can make changes to the text and to make the text attractive and most beautiful, okay. And I hope you all guys like this video very much. If you like this video, so please hit on like button, you comment, and if you share this video with others, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, CSR Tech Info YouTube channel. And if you want to know how to add different fonts to the text in this Pixel Lab, you go to other link given in the description. That video tells how to add many fonts even to the Pixel Lab also. Okay friends, have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you friends for watching this video.